Hey, to change font style on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first of all you have to open the settings. Now you have to scroll down and move into the display. Then scroll down one more time, select font size and the style. And from this, select the font style. So first of all, we got actually four default one. We got the default Samsung one, Gothic Bold, and at the bottom we've got this Roboto. If you want to get more fonts, you have to click on this button to download fonts. Now you will be redirected into the Galaxy store, and you have to accept all of these permissions. And as you can see from this, we can actually find a lot of different fonts. So if you want to download, for example, free fonts, you have to select this icon, and now you get the top free fonts that you can actually download, for example, the Rosemary. So if you want to do this, you have to click on this button. Now we have to log in into your Samsung account. And you can also use the Google account that you have, actually log in into your phone. And after this, you have to accept all of this stuff. Click I agree. And now just make your verification code. And after this, you will be able to use and download the new fonts. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.